Welcome to Ron's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Ron Erdmann of Benchmark Mortgage, a trusted mortgage provider for Toledo home buyers. Now, here's your money tips.
Okay, today we're going to set the record straight and clarify a common misconception about rates that most people have no clue about. When banks advertise mortgage rates, they usually feature a low rate in big type followed by a higher rate in smaller type. The first rate is known as the advertised rate and is just the interest on the loan. The second rate is the annual percentage rate or APR, and it takes into account the loan rate as well as many other fees and costs involved in taking out the mortgage. The federal government requires lenders to quote APR because it gives consumers a more complete way to compare the true cost of a mortgage between lenders. The only problem is that there's no standardization of what's included in APR. Some fees and closing costs are included by some lenders while others leave them out. It's therefore necessary to dig deeper than APR and evaluate each offer in detail, which can be complicated. Even the advertised rate that the APR is based on isn't entirely straightforward. Advertised rates assume that you're an A-plus borrower with excellent credit and a large down payment. If you have any unique needs or a small down payment, you'll be paying a higher rate. Complicating things even more is the fact that mortgage rates and fees are all negotiable. So no matter what the advertised rate or APR is, you can negotiate it down. However, since banks are shrewd, seasoned negotiators, and you're new to this and probably a little unsure, you may not be very successful. But before you throw up your hands in frustration, consider the services of a mortgage professional. As your local home loan specialist, we know exactly what each lender includes in its rate, so we can do an apples-to-apples comparison. We have access to specialized lenders who offer lower rates and affordable options for people with unique needs. And we're masters at negotiating and convincing lenders to take a few extra points off even their best offers. For more information, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Ron's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Ron today at 419-392-2410. That's 419-392-2410.